Hello children, happy morning to you all and welcome back to my class. Today I am here with you to teach social studies subject. Okay children, the topic is the planet we live. Before going to learn about the planet Earth, let's recall what we all learnt in the previous class. Okay children, in the previous class we learnt about our universe. We learnt about our universe. Our UNIVERSE universe. Okay, children. When we look up at the night sky, what do we see? What do we see, children? We see stars. The stars are large balls of hot burning gases. Is it not, children? What do we see in the morning sky? We see the sun. Is it not, children? The sun is also a star. It gives us what it gives us. The sun gives us heat and light. It looks bigger and brighter than other stars. Why it is? Because it is nearer to the earth. So it looks like bigger and brighter than other stars. Okay, children. Next, if you see at the sky through the telescope, you will see a vast space. This is our universe. This is our universe. The universe consists thousands of stars, planets and other heavenly bodies. Okay, children. A large group or cluster of stars is called a galaxy. GALAXY, galaxy. A large group or cluster of stars is called a galaxy. Okay, children. There are many galaxies in our universe. There are many galaxies in our universe. Okay, children. How was the universe formed? Do you know, children? The scientists tell that many years ago there was a big explosion or a bang, and a huge fireball was created. The fireball appeared out over a vast space. As it is slowly cooled, tiny particles were formed. Over many thousands of years, these particles came together to form the heavenly bodies. Our scientists believe that this is how the universe was created. This idea is known as the Big Bang theory. Big Bang theory. Okay, children. Next we have learnt about our solar system. In our solar system, there are 8 planets consists in our solar system. In that one, we have learnt about Mercury and Venus. Today's class, we are going to learn the planet, which is that the Earth. The Earth. Where do we live, children? Yes, of course, we live on the planet Earth. We live on the planet Earth. third planet in our solar system. We are so lucky to be living on the earth. We are so lucky to be living on the earth. Our earth is different from the other planets. The earth is different from these other planets. It has life. Each planet has life. The earth has life. The earth, no other planets has life. It has air and water too. Which planet has air and water? The planet Earth has air and water. Let's know about atmosphere of the Earth. Atmosphere of the Earth. Atmosphere of the Earth. The earth is surrounded by a layer of gases. This layer is called atmosphere. The atmosphere protects our earth from the harmful rays of the sun. It also helps to keep the temperature of the earth steady. The atmosphere consists of two main gases. Which are those two main gases? Oxygen and nitrogen. There are also other gases like carbon dioxide, argon, etc. which are present in very small quantities. Okay children, next know about water on the earth. Water on the earth. Water on the earth. 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. Only 1/4 is land, which consists of soil, sand and rocks. The other oceans, seas are the biggest bodies of salt water. Melting snows and rain flow down higher hills and mountains to form river. This is fresh water. River water is fresh water. A lake is large body of standing water which is fresh. A pond is smaller of fresh water. A lake is a standing water which is fresh, and a pond is a smaller body of fresh water. The water bodies are found in nature. They are natural. There are man-made lakes and ponds too on the earth. Next, landforms. Landforms. Plains and flatlands, hills and mountains and higher than plains. Mountains are the highest place in the world. Mountains are the highest place in the world. The peaks of most mountains are covered with snow, like Himalayas. Next, forest. Forest. Forests are area where many trees grows. These trees grow very close to each other. Trees are grows very close to each other in the forests. Okay children. Today's class we have learned about the planet Earth. The Earth is third planet in the solar system. Earth is Earth has atmosphere, water on the earth, land forms and forests. Without water, air, we can't live on the earth. Is it not, children? Next class, I am going to teach you still some more planets like Venus, Mars, and Saturn, etc. Okay, children? I meet you in the next class. Have a nice day, children.